Okay, today these are 5th graders and they're playing Clean Out Your Garage hockey. We have all kinds of things here, just like a messy garage. Everything's thrown around, all different shapes of balls, frisbees, bean bags, tennis balls, all kinds of stuff, bean bags. And then we have, for this group, we have 13 goals set up all around the gym. And every player has to run out here, and they have to be careful when they first get out here so they don't slip on anything. But get one object, stick handle it back to their goal, and they can't shoot it back to their goal. They have to dribble it or stick handle all the way back. And then when all the stuff is gone, then we'll see who has the most. Are you guys ready to demonstrate this? All right, ready? Go. Just like cleaning out your garage. Some of the objects are going to move easier than others. We try to do everything. You know, my friend in the wheelchair, she's such a good girl. There's nothing she doesn't try. She's got a great spirit and always tries to make everything work. So, real fun game. If you throw enough junk, it lasts a while. Probably for a half-hour class, you might be able to get 2 times in. But it's just a fun way to practice stick handling, and better than just going around the cone and things like that. So this is Clean Out Your Garage hockey.